This guide walks you through configuring Okta as a SAML IDP for Ostorlab. The first step is to create a new Okta application integration. Of the various sign-on methods available, choose SAML 2.0. Next, you will be guided through a wizard to configure the Okta application. The first step is to give it a name and an icon. And click Next. The next step is to configure the SAML application settings. For single sign-on URL, put the highlighted value. The values you need to use are dependent upon your Ostorlab organization prefix. Be sure to replace organization prefix with your actual organization prefix. You can find your org's prefix in your organization settings page. Next, fill audience URI with the following value. For the default relay state, leave it empty, and choose email address or persistent for the name ID format. Please note that you should not change the value of name ID format value once your users have started using Ostorlab, not even switching its value between email address or persistent. Finally, for the app username, select email. In addition, you can optionally provide two attribute statements so that users who sign in with their Okta credentials will have proper usernames. And click Next. After the Ostorlab SAML application has been created in Okta, the next step is to assign users to it. This will grant specific users or groups access to sign into Ostorlab with their Okta-provided credentials. To assign users or groups to the application, navigate to the Assignments tab on the application page and click Choose Assign. The final step is to configure Ostorlab with details on your new Okta-based SAML application. To do this, you need to obtain the IDP information from Okta and then provide it to Ostorlab. First, navigate to the Sign On tab on the application page. The fields you will need are Sign On URL, Sign Out URL, Issuer and the signing certificate. Next, in your Ostorlab dashboard, click on the Menu button. Select Library to expand, and choose Integrations. Choose SAML. Select Configuration and paste the IDP information into the corresponding fields. Then select Save. Now you are all set to log into Ostorlab. This step-by-step guide covered the process of configuring Okta as a SAML IDP for Ostorlab.